Timeless. You've lived your days, not a crime you've committed. A valued being you always were. But then, the cruel hands of time and his loyal wife fate have drawn near to you. Slowly, you recognize that the dove, hope, has flown from your shoulders. The months, weeks, days, hours, minutes and seconds draw nearer. And the years you've lived seem few. But the season of your departure has finally caught up with you. Life slowly packs his luggage, waiting for the plane to leave your body. The laughter, joy, and once-in-a-lifetime gift you gave the world seem vainly done, and you now know your heart will fail. Your body will decay, and your presence will be erased from this two-faced, masked world. You know your time is nigh. Finally, the night before your departure, you stayed up waiting for death and his minions to take you away. Or perhaps, was it for her to put you to sleep? Yes, I'm Roman, and this is poem number 43. I wrote this at a time when I had a very good friend, and he was diagnosed with a particular illness and he was going to die. That was the consensus. And I didn't know how to express myself. I didn't know what to say to him. And so I wrote this poem trying to convey what's happening. Saying, you're a great person, you're a good person. Why do people die? Why do bad things happen to good people? And it was such a roller coaster for me. And throughout this experience too, I wondered if he was willingly waiting for death. And it changed my perspective on life and the value of time and how things can happen at any given moment, randomly. So I will leave it there. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed it, and do share your own poems down below. I could even read them on my next videos, one of my next videos. With that said, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.